Hello students, welcome back to St. Thomas High School, Surat. I am Minavani, your GK teacher. Once again welcomes you to semester 2. Today's our topic is Eat and Speak. You will find it on page number 23. Introduction. Today's our topic is Eat and Speak. People in different countries speak different languages and wear different clothes. They also have different eating habits. Today we are going to discuss about eating habits of people in different countries. The few countries are Japan, China, Italy, UK, USA and Bangladesh. You can find the pictures in the next slides. One by one we will look at the different varieties of food. Our first picture is of sushi, S-U-S-H-I. It is a Japanese dish. It is a Japanese dish and people in the Japan speak Japanese language. People in the Japan speak Japanese language. Sushi is a traditional Japanese dish of prepared vinegared rice, usually with some sugar and salt, accompanying a variety of ingredients such as seafood, often raw and vegetables. Styles of sushi and its preparation vary widely, but the one key ingredient is sushi rice, also referred to as shari, shari or sumeshi. Our second variety is pizza. It is an Italian dish. It belongs to the country Italy and it is an Italian dish. People there speak Italian language. Pizza is a savory dish of Italian origin, consisting of a usually round flattened base of leavened wheat base, dough topped with tomatoes, cheese and often various other ingredients such as anchovies, mushrooms, onions, olives, pineapple, meat, etc., which is then baked at a high temperature, traditionally in a wood-fired oven. A small pizza is sometimes called a pizzetta. Just remember this word, pizzetta. Our third variety is noodles. It is a Chinese dish and people in China speak Chinese language. It is a Chinese dish and people in China speak Chinese language. Noodles are a type of food made from unleavened dough which is rolled flat and cut, stretched or extruded into long strips or strings. Noodles can be refrigerated for short-term storage or dried and stored for future use. Noodle dishes can include a sauce or noodle can be put into soup. Noodles are a staple food in many cultures. Chinese noodles, Japanese noodles, Korean noodles and Italian pasta. These were the various varieties. Our fourth dish is fish and chips. It belongs to the country United Kingdom and the people there speak English language. Fish and chips is a hot dish consisting of fried fish in batter, served with chips. The dish originated in England where these two components had been introduced from separate immigrant cultures. It is not known who created the culinary fusion that became the emblematic British meal. Fish and chips is a common take-away food in United Kingdom and numerous other English-speaking countries. Our fifth variety is hamburgers. It belongs to the country United USA and the people there speak English. A hamburger, also burger. is a sandwich consisting of one or more cooked patties of ground meat, usually beef, placed inside a sliced bread roll or bun. The patty may be pan-fried, grilled, smoked, or flame-broiled. Hamburgers are often served with cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion, pickles, bacon, or chilies. Chilies. Condiments such as ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, and are frequently placed on sesame seed buns. So this was our fifth variety. And our next item is rice and fish. This item belongs to the Bangladesh, and the people there speak Bangla language or Bengali language. Rice and fish is a popular dish in the Indian subcontinent as well as in Sri Lanka and Bangladesh. It consists of a larger bowl of rice, most often boiled but frequently fried. Sometimes kiribat, rice cooked in coconut milk, is served with vegetable curry, perhaps of green beans, jackfruit or leeks. A curry of meat, most often chicken or fish, is also included in this variety. Students, I hope you have enjoyed this topic about the various different countries and their food items and language. We'll stop here. We'll meet soon. Thank you.